Good evening, Jean-François Simon, LC Electronics and Chrysalide Engineering. This evening I would like to talk more in detail about this board. This board is a microcontroller unit. It is designed for a PIC mid-range 16F 28-pin deep package. We'll go on the lab behind me and check the board with more details. The FPC port is connected both sides. In addition, in the FPC port we have I2C signal. This is the ICSP port for programming the chip. The voltage regulator. Those are the output ports connection, 3 of them. Test points, 2 crystal, 8 meg and 32K for RTC. 1 reset push button for the chip. Power LED. The chip is a micro chip PIC16F883. This socket is 28 pin deep. We can fit other microchip PIC16F in there. Similar boards have FPC ports input-output on both sides, and they can be connected in series, and any one of them that supplies the line will supply the power to all boards. Since this is an I2C bus, we can talk from this board to other boards on the chain. The microchip PIC16F883 is fitted on this board with a default firmware. Those are KiCad wiring diagrams. We can see there are 4 different sections, and in the wiring diagrams themselves I have embedded the manual. Power section, MCU section, board UI, assembly and mounting. In the power section we have a voltage regulator, LM7805. We make a 5 volt rail from the 7+ volt input. The supply bus is a VSB. The 7 volt supply can come from the jack or from the FPC connector. We have the FPC connectors over here. We have power selection, ICSP line, priority online. Then we have the MCU with all the peripherals. We have oscillator crystal, RTC crystal. We have main oscillator crystal, reset push button. We have all the different ports, analog ports, B port, ICSP, the FPC connection, the serial connection, user LED, serial LED, system OK and real-time LED, timer overflow, watchdog. We have dimensions, mechanical informations on the board. In the manual we explained supply voltage and priority, clock source, the MCU features, LEDs and push buttons. Thanks for watching, thanks for your interest in this project. These boards are part of a project. The PLC++ project will involve the software, hardware, and there should be a simulator for it. It will run on the 80 tiny range Atmel chips, and the program will be made in C++. So if you're interested in this channel, you can subscribe. You can also like these videos. Thank you, good evening.